question from the Digital SAT Test 3 Module 1. Number 20 is asking about the convention standard English. When that's a question, you want to look at the answer choices first. According to answer choice C, there's a period. So we want to see if there's an independent clause before and after. First, computerized spreadsheet, then Bricklin's VisiCalc. Improve financial record keepings not only by providing users with an easy means of adjusting data in spreadsheets, but also by automatically updating the calculations that are dependent on these adjustments. Could that be its own sentence? Yes, it can. Prior to VisiCalc's release, changing a paper spreadsheet often required redoing an entire sheet by hand, a process that could take days. Could that be its own sentence? Yes, it could. So C is the answer. Fuse sentence, comma, splice, needs a comma before the conjunction. To see the following video, check us out on YouTube. Go to Ivy Masters Learning Center, find Test 3 Module 1, and the shorter videos are just below these longer videos. And make sure you click subscribe and check out this other video that's testing out comma splices and using a period. Have a great day.